Ryan here with Wasatch Heat Cable. Got a scenario here where the contractor subbed out to a heat cable expert to install heat cable on this roof. As you can see here, we've got cable zigzagged and in the gutter all along this whole roof line here, and it is the same on the other side of the home there. It's running a Raycam 6-watt cable. Big red flag right here. Clips are screwed in. The issue that we're having is the breaker keeps on tripping. Doing a rough estimate, I accounted for about 390 feet of cable on this side and 270 feet on that side. With a 6-watt cable, it's about, on a 120 volt circuit, you can get about 180 feet roughly per circuit. Once again, 390, 270, only allowed 180. So the homeowner spent all this money on all this cable for it to be improperly installed over circuit requirements and also improperly set on the roof. So now each one of those clips has a screw hole in it, and you can imagine how many holes are in the roof now. Obviously they try to seal it up with whatever this material is, but anytime you put a hole in a roof, there's a chance of leaking. So make sure you really do call the experts here at Wasatch Heat Cable or heatcable.com, and we'll get you taken care of.